di ba? Parang may lalabas na ano eh, track. Sino may nagbigay nito? Hindi ba tayo tapos, no? Nagbigay nito? Uy, thank you naman! Sige, tingnan natin kung kaya. Diba? Maraming sinasabi na, ikaw ay no? Parang, bakit parating ang walang lyrics? Talagang yung cute mo talaga pag gumamit tayo. Terus si ate parang gang sa ate mawa. Lakas si mawa. O sino naman babae naman. Yeah. For our foreign guests, this is about a contest. I love somebody the way I love you. Oh, come on. Do you have a boy? Okay. Don't touch me, okay? So, how many years are you together?
16 years now.
Oh, sana all. All of them. I'm sorry. Okay, what's your name? Arlene. Uy, magkapanayan tayo. Ako Aileen. Ikaw Arlene.
Mother of patuol kayo.
Para ako bagong biganyagan.
Sasaya ay nararamdaman, lalo na kung nagsasayawan. Awiting bago ay naghihintay.
tuwag yun ito.
So this is actually the first time that we are having a Filipino comedian here in Oro, right? And it's Miss Ay Blas Alas.
Mama!
Right, with the title of Queen of
Si Mama, tuon na dito daw.
From the start of my show, the program, I keep on holding this one. So let me read about it.
Hindi naman yan yung funeral service, ha?
I want to express my gratitude to